Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to make a bowl out of a spalted piece of walnut, and it will be an end grain bowl. So right now we are marking out for a tenon.
Just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes.
I don't know why I'm marking out for a foot, because we're not going to be needing it. I think it's probably force of habit. Alright, so we've got that done now. Alright, we've got the camera into position and the lathe turned on, and we're going to turn it to shape. And the first tool we are going to use is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Going to get all of that bark off first of all, and go around the sides and the bottom.
I'm good, giving the compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end.
And we are going to shape it. So we're going to go right up to the tenon. It is the rougher, and back to the finisher to finish off the shaping. There we go, just flattening off the tenon, cleaning it out. Doing a few more passes on the shape.
I will never get it right. I still have you on my side. Staying night after night. 'Cause you're mine. 'Cause it's just my habit. And I can't describe it.
There we go. Alright, so now we're going to flatten the top first of all. And for the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size rougher. And now we're going to hollow it out using the #1 hollower. So all tools used in this video, even the putters and even the lathe, will be linked down in the description if anybody is interested. The #1 hollower is my favourite tool of the Easy Wood Tools range. And as you can see, you can probably know why. Making very light work of this end grain. And a little bit deeper there.
It's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, 'cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you.
Getting to the last few passes now with the #1 hollower. And here is the mid-size finisher, just take out any lumps and bumps. And there we go. Bit of compressed air. Check the walls with the old finger calipers, the metric ones. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand up to 240 grit. There we go. We'll clean it off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol.
Water slide.
Some spray on sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You're going to wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent around about 1,000 grit. There you go, just getting it on the inside now. There we go, now we're going to start buffing in about 500 RPMs. There you go, last few wipes. And there you go. And now some finishing wax. This is microcrystalline wax. So you're just going to wipe this all over, get nice even coverage. Turn your lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and buff it in. And you just be careful not to push too hard. You don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Just use your fingertips and build up that heat and buff it in. We're going relatively slow at the moment, just making sure we get nice even coverage. Go, just getting the inside. There you go, now we're going to turn the lathe up. And now buff it in. So I actually took the Tenon off of camera. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.